Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cute gymnastics outfit on Dress to Impress. I'm going to use this top here, and I am going to use a pattern. You can use any pattern, any color that you like, but this is what I'm going to choose for this one. Wait, I think I chose a different one. Hold on, this one. And then I'm just going to color it kind of the same color here as the bottom one. Add glitter. Then I'm going to add glitter again, and then I am going to choose this color. Wait, maybe like this color actually. Let me just change the polish. Okay. Then I'm going to also use this. This is a VIP item. It's this one here. And I'm going to use kind of similar colors again. And I'm going to add glitter to that. Like this. And then I'm going to go to codes and I'm going to use this. Leg warmers. You can use the same pattern. You can use that blue that you use. You can use again any color that you'd like. I think I'm just going to save that blue real quick so I can use that again. And you can also add glitter if you'd like to. Then I'm just going to add socks here. And I'm going to color it this purple, I think, and glitter again. And that is it. You can add more stuff to it if you'd like to, but I'm pretty pleased with this. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.